Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and good. Alhamdulillah. I am also fine and good. I am coming to the sea river. As you can see, the river little bit water are here. This is a winter season, and most of the time I come this river to see the natural environment, and I am feeling it very much. And you can see behind me this garden are actually maize field. It is a maize field, and there is lot of maize field are here. And I'm coming to the full of nature. One side a big river, and one side a lots of plants, and this is a maize plants, and it is a potato plant. It is a potato plant. So uh, all everything I am feeling very good, and this is a evening time, and I want to go my home. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And it is my first video in 2026. I start from today. This day is 13/1/2026. So assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.